Hello everyone, we will be discussing about chart patterns in this video. There are three types of chart pattern. First one was reversal pattern, the second one was continuous pattern, and third one was neutral pattern. Okay, we will be discussing firstly continuous pattern. Double top pattern. Where the market is in uptrend, it forms higher high. According to the price action, the market is reversed. We are touching the resistance at 2 times. If it breaks the resistance, it will go above, or else this line with the 2 lines touching the resistance is known as double top pattern, where the neckline, which we have drawn with the green, if it breaks the neckline with higher volume and the next candle closes the breaking candle of neckline and retests that level with the help of indicator and volume, we can take this trade. Next pattern we will be discussing about double bottom pattern, where the market is downside. According to the price action, the candles are taking support at the lower level. If the candles break the neckline and next candle closes the breaking candle of neckline, it retests this level and it continues to the upside momentum. Next pattern we are discussing is triple top pattern, where this pattern describes that touching the resistance more than price is known as triple top pattern, where the neckline break, if it is a green line, it is known as neckline. If the candle breaks that neckline and next candle closes the breaking candle of the neckline, by keeping stop loss and retest this level, we can take this trade. Triple bottom pattern, where the price is touching 1 or 2 more than 3 times. If the candle breaks the neckline and second candle touching closes the breaking candle of the neckline, we can see this pattern forming on the live market. We can take upside momentum. The next pattern we are discussing about rising wedge. With the help of trend lines, we will be drawing this pattern where the price is contracting towards upside momentum, decreasing with volume. If it breaks the trend line with help of volume, we can see this pattern, falling wedge. For this pattern is formed where the market is downside with the lower volume, where the candles are contracting with help of trend lines, which we will draw in the market. While breaking the trend line, the volume should be increasing and reversal of this pattern. Next, we will be discussing next pattern was head and shoulder. These types of pattern has been seen in longer time frame, where left shoulder, right shoulder and head. Okay, where the higher high has been takes place in the uptrend, where lower high can't able to break the higher high. This pattern has been seen. Okay, by touching 2 swing lows, we can draw a neckline. Left shoulder breaks the neckline with higher volume, we can see downtrend, inverted head and shoulder. This type of pattern is used for the reversal of lower trend to uptrend, where lower high has been takes place in a downtrend, where 2 swing lows we will be drawn resistance and the candle has been breaks the resistance with higher volume, we can see reversal in the pattern. Next pattern we will be discussing about bullish flag, where market is in uptrend where with higher volume, it will gather some buyers and sellers in this zone, and after gathering buyers and sellers, it will break the trend line with higher volume. We can see it continues this pattern till the extreme strength of this trend. We can also book this 1:2 ratio. Next pattern is bearish flag pattern. In this pattern is formed when the market is at downtrend. It will gather buyers and sellers after stretching some bearish side. After gathering buyers and sellers, it will break the trend line with higher volume and still continues to be a bearish until the trend ends. Next pattern we will be discussing about ascending triangle. In this pattern where candles are touching more than twice the resistance, if the resistance breaks with higher volume, we can see the ascending triangle is for uptrend. Next pattern we will be discussing about descending triangle pattern. We will be drawing a support line. Where the support line breaks with the higher volume, we can see the market is at downtrend. Next pattern we will be discussing about symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle pattern is used in larger time frames. If the trend line breaks with higher volume, we can see the uptrend. These are the neutral pattern, ascending triangle and descending triangle. If you like the content, share and subscribe. Thank you.